Hi children, how are you all? Are you all fine? Yes, I hope you all are fine and well. Okay, let's begin our subject SS and chapter 4 Maths and Math Reading. Okay, so you all know that a globe is a small model of Earth. A globe is a small miniature model of Earth, and a map is located on that round surface like a round ball surface on ball shape. That map is located. So that is called globe. We can locate continents, then oceans, seas, valleys, rivers, and deserts, forest, everything on that globe. So we can get information about all things by globe. So however, some small towns are there and villages that are not visible on that globe. So we did not get information about that small towns and small cities, small villages. So it is not convenient to carry a globe everywhere, and a globe is there. It is a big model of Earth. So it is very difficult to carry from one place to another place. So to solve this problem, that maps are there that made by cartographs. So these are the maps are the aerials and satellite that photographs of a place. Maps are drawn on a paper. They are that photographs taken by satellite and of a accurate place, that accurate distance and accurate location of place is given on map. So a map represents different places, different countries, different states, forest, mountain, rivers, valleys, oceans, everything are located in map. So it is a earth that model on a flat surface like paper. It represents the whole part of the earth. We use map to locate states, districts, of boundaries of that state and district, cities, countries, and etc. So, you know that on my small area also mentioned, we can get distance between that area, how much kilometer is there, how much area is far from any place. So that all information will get by the map. So accurate and actual in that distance will get. So map shows accurate detail of small areas and it can carry everywhere. You can carry map everywhere, wherever you want. Map are compiled together in a book. It is called Atlas. Atlas is a book contains maps are there. So types of maps are there. That three types of maps are there. There are three main types of maps. That physical maps, political maps, and thematic maps. So we'll see first physical maps. In a physical map, it shows the natural features. The physical map shows the relief or natural features of the earth's surface. They show landforms, plains, plateaus, deserts, then valleys, and etc. and everything. So, in a physical map, the countries or the states may not be outlined. That outlines are not given. The various relief features are represented using different colors. Various that physical features are there. They are represented by using different colors in physical map. So political map is there next. In political map, you can see it shows boundaries. Political map shows boundaries of countries, states, cities, and capital, etc. So in political map, you can see the boundaries of different countries, states, cities, and main towns or capital cities. Thematic map. Thematic map are there. They are used for special theme or features or special information like temperature, rainfall. That special features are given in thematic maps like rainfall, temperature, railways, crops, then minerals are there. So forest, air routes, and that etc. are given. These all things are given in the thematic map. Now we'll see that components of map. Components of map. There are certain components. There are certain components in every map that help us to understand that map. It help us to understand the map and read it easily. We can read about the scales by this scale and that symbols. That physical maps are there, the components of map are there, that scale, direction, and symbols are there. So by that we can understand the distance of any place, which place is located, wherever it is located. So all information we will get by these components of map. So components of maps are there. First is scale. Scale is there. Scale is used to measure the distance between two places, two countries, and two cities. So it is used to measure the distance. It is most important features of map. Scale is the most important feature of map because we can get information about the distance between two places, whether it is given in kilometer. So you have a question in mind that on a map, how we can get that in a small map, how we will get that distance of kilometer, 5,000 kilometer. So there is a scale. Scale is used for that. Suppose we want to measure distance. Suppose 1 centimeter is equal to 5 kilometer. So the distance is given 1 centimeter, means we need to understand 5 kilometer distance is there between two places. Sometimes some long distance is there between any two places. Long distance is there. Then that scale will be large, at a large scale. So we can represent and we can get information about the distance between two places. So how much far one place is there from other place, that all information we will get by this distance. Suppose two countries are there. So country distance is more. So they will select that 1 centimeter is equal to 1000 kilometer. 1 centimeter is equal to 1000 kilometer. So distance is given in a map 5 centimeter. Then 5 multiply 1000, then 5000 kilometer distance will be there between two places. So that way, that actual distance, large distance, we can locate on small scale. So on that scale, on a map, whenever we will read map, we will get the actual distance between two places by locating, by giving small scale. We can give the actual distance of a large scale distance we can give by small scale. So this way, by small scale on a map, we can give the actual distance of between two places. So it can show such a huge distance. It can show us huge distance in just small scale, and we can understand also very easily that an actual distance we can get by the scale. So direction are given. So by direction we can get very easily that distance. So maps are usual. Some maps we use in classrooms are small scale maps. Some large scale maps are also there. They are usual to represent small distances between two towns, two cities, two villages. That all distance we can get information about the distance by these maps. So you can understand that big cities and two countries, two states, that large distance is there. We can locate by map on small scale. On small scale, we can get the information of large distance. So this is the very important features of map. Next is that directions. Next is directions. So north, south, east, west. These four are the main directions. These four are north, south, east, west. These are the four main major directions. These are called that cardinal directions. These four are called cardinal directions. The north direction is shown on the top. The north direction is shown on the top of map by the arrow, and there is an N written, means north. Downside that in the opposite of north by arrow it is shown south direction. Then S is written, it is called south direction. Next is there, this side is given west by the arrow, and this side east. So these are the four main directions: north, south, east, and west. So that you know that right side is east, left side west is given by W, by pointing W. This side west direction by pointing E, that east direction. So these are the thing that four main directions are there: north, south, east, west. And between north and east, the directions are given. That is northeast direction. Between north and east, the direction is there, arrow, it is northeast direction. Same way, between south and east, southeast direction is given. You can see that between south and west, southwest SW, southwest direction is given. And between north and west, northwest directions are there. So that four main directions and other four sub directions are there. So that it is located by the arrows. So between these all four main directions, that some directions are there, that intermediate directions. We can call them intermediate directions. Northeast, southeast, southwest, and northwest. These four are the intermediate directions. Midway, that is between the north and the east direction, is northeast. That way, these four directions are indicated. So, these directions are usual to locate a place with greater accuracy. These all directions are usual to locate any place with accuracy. So we can get very information between two places. Accurate information will get. Symbols are there. Symbols are marks, signs, or characters. Symbols are some marks, signs or characters used to represent information on a map. On a map, whenever you will study map, you will see different symbols, different signs, then different characters that used to show information about different places. So, symbols make it easier to understand the map and location of place. A variety of information is shown on map by different symbols, and the space is less to show the actual size. The places are there, actual size, wherever it is located, that information we can get by symbol. A small symbol is given for a huge place. So by that small symbol we can locate and find out where is that place. So different features like mountain, valleys, ponds, roads, buildings, police station, post office, these all we can get very easily. We can make our special symbols also to locate place. We can make some special symbols also for place, and we can show on a map. So here they represent that some things are represented by the symbols. Here some symbols are there. Railway symbol is there. This way symbol is there. We can do it in a map. We can find in map this way symbol, and we will find that there will be a railway. Bridges are there. The bridges symbol is this way. So these symbols are there in map. Then we can know that bridge is there. Temple symbol is there. Then the police station symbol PS. Wells symbol round shape. Pond is there. Pond symbol is there. Post office PO. So these symbols are there. These symbols we can use in map to locate different places. You can make your own symbols also to locate place on map. So here some symbols I have done that you can see that. So this way symbols are used on a map to locate different places. So these are the different kind of symbols you can see. Then sketch and plan. Suppose your friend is coming at your home and he don't know your house, where is it? So you will give some direction to him. That from this side you come, this side, that side turn. So that is like a sketch. A sketch is a rough drawing of an area. A sketch is a rough drawing of an area or a place without scale or accurate distance. A sketch is a rough drawing of a place without accuracy and without distance, without scale it is drawn. It is a rough that sketch. That sketch is a rough drawing. It is called rough drawing of different place. So by the sketch you can get any place easily. A plan is there. A plan is a drawing. A plan is a drawing which is used to show that layout of buildings, then houses, hospitals, schools, colleges, classrooms, etc. It represents a very small area. It represents taking on a paper very small area of that large building. Before large building, engineers are making plans for that. So plan is a small model, small drawing of a huge construction or huge building. So very small that drawing is there for a whole large building. So by the plan you can get information and we can know about the building. So today the types of maps are there: physical map, political map, and theoretical map. Get information. Then components of map, scales, directions and symbols. Different directions are there: north, south, east, west, and northeast direction, southeast direction, south west, north west. These are that directions are there. You can locate some places by different symbols: railways, bridges, temples, police station, wells, ponds, and post office. So this way, by different symbols, you can understand map very easily. Sketch and plan. Sketch is a rough drawing of any place, and a plan is a small drawing. A plan is a drawing which is used to show a layout of building, schools, colleges. So we can get information of everything by the plan, by the scratch. So this is the chapter. I hope you understand it well. Okay. Thank you, children. Bye.